Hello everyone. Today I have a 1-minute Zoom tip for you, which is use a virtual background. If you like us, let us know and please subscribe. Step number 1. Click on the video arrow on the toolbar. Look for that video camera icon and look for the arrow. Step 2. Click on Choose Virtual Background. And step number 3. Pick a background of your choosing. For example, cityscape. You'll be a cool cat, maybe out in the outback, or maybe out skiing for the afternoon. Bonus tip, you can upload your own image. Remember, if you like us, let us know and subscribe. Thank you.